Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 32, tallying and counting by 5. So I'm going to tell you how to tally and count by 5s. And in class, you would get a penny. And if you notice, a penny has a heads and a tails. Okay, and we call that because the head, of course, has a head on it, and the tails is the other side. Okay, so let's say I took my penny and I flip it. Okay, I flip the penny, or maybe I'm going to shake it. So I'm going to shake it in my hand, and I'm going to put it on the table. And I want to count how many times the pennies land head up, and how many times the pennies land tails up. Okay, so let's keep track. And I'm going to make a tally mark for each head and each tail. So I can't actually flip a coin on this video, but if I was to do it in class, let's say the first one I got was heads. So I'll put a mark for heads. And let's say the second time we got heads. Then we got a tails, and then we got heads, tails, heads, heads. Now if you notice, when I got to, these are showing how many I have. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth tally mark goes across the middle like this. That's 5. Now I start making a new tally. So let's say we got tails, and then I got another heads. So then I'd start a new tallies for heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for tails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is how we make tallies. We put them in groups of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you look, I have an equal number of heads and tails. Now this doesn't always happen. Sometimes I might have more. Okay, but let's see how many tally marks we have in the first group. Okay, and we count the tally marks, and we're going to count by 5s because each mark means 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. And then we have 5, 10, 15, 20 on this side. Now let's say I have a couple extra. Okay, so oops. Okay, so let's say I got heads 3 more times. Well, I would count by 5s until I got to 20, and then I'd count 21, 22, 23. So I'd end up with 23 tally marks. Okay. So let me show you what the tally marks looks like for 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that I have one group of 5, so that's 5, and then I have 2 more. So then 6 and 7. Okay, what about 25? So I'm going to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, so how many groups of 5 tally marks do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have any extras? No. So I know that this number is correct. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What about 16? Well, with 16, we go 5, 10, 15, and then I just need one more, 16. So I have 3 groups of 5 and then 1 extra tally mark. Okay, and that's how we make tally marks to count objects or heads and tails or anything else we want to count. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.